In this scenario, your air conditioner is not working, the indoor fan is running, you're calling for cooling, your outdoor fan is not running, there's nothing happening out here. You can see, if you look at the fan on this thing, it's not turning, and there's no noise coming from out here. So, what could be the problem here? Remember, indoor fan running, outdoor fan not running, calling for cool. Let's take a look at a couple of things out here that might help us determine what's going on. Now, what I'm going to concentrate here on is this wire right here. That's the low voltage control wiring. Now, this is 24 volts, so it's not high voltage, it's not hazardous, but this tells the outdoor unit, it energizes the contactor in the outdoor unit to get it to start. And if this wire doesn't have continuity, then there's a problem. Okay, I want you to take a look at the wire, clear from where it goes in here all the way over to there. Primarily what we're looking for is maybe bite marks on this. Dogs especially seem to like to chew on that wire. And so look close on there and be sure that this wire doesn't have any damage anywhere on it. If it has damage, then you need to repair that wire, because that may be your only problem with this system, is just simply an animal has got in and damaged this wire. Now, in some cases, this wire will be enclosed in conduit, kind of similar to this. And if so, it's probably not damaged, because that is a pretty good idea. If there are animals around, and some codes require that they encase this in a conduit. But just look at this wire, make sure it's got continuity. That's it on this one.